Yes, only few days have left when 1 month grace period for extension of timeline of the merger can be discussed, and that is January 20. Remember, on 21st of December was the deadline of completion of merger. After that, both the parties agreed to discuss the extension of timeline of the merger, and now only 2 to 3 days are left for that. Now, important part is that while both the parties are discussing whether or not this deal can be done, that extension can happen. In one of the meetings, Puneet Goenka had offered to step down from the position of CEO of the merged entity, but it was a conditional offer. In his conditions which were laid down by him, he said that another person should be CEO other than NP Singh, who is the India head of Sony. Now, this conditional offer was given 2 to 3 weeks back to Sony in the meetings held, but there was no agreement which was reached between both the parties, and till now, what we understand, just 2 days remaining for that January 20 deadline, there has not been any agreement which has been reached by both the parties so far. As far as Sony is concerned, what we have been given to understand through sources, Sony has not agreed yet for extension of timeline of merger yet. In fact, the offer which was given by Puneet Goenka was also turned down by Sony in that meeting. So all in all, it is remaining at the same point where it started. There is no agreement between both the parties. Now we need to wait and see whether or not after one more round of talks, which is likely to be held in next 24 hours, an agreement is reached between both the parties. But for now, there is no consensus between both the parties.